I'm Melly and I'm the Welsh Language Officer for the National Lottery Community Fund. To celebrate Welsh Language Music Day, we're here visiting a project called Soel Connect, Swn Llwythol, to see how they explore Welsh and African music, language and culture, to connect the ethnically diverse choir to the nation they now call home.
The choir movement is very big in Wales, but we have been in Wales, we've been around, and we were so divorced from the Welsh experience. You know, most of the songs we did were either coming from the US, the Caribbean, or Africa, but nothing was coming from Wales. So that's when we decided to start looking. We decided to have an introspective. I mean, I've lived in this October will be 14 years in Wales, and apart from Shemai, Chryso, I never had any interaction with the Welsh language, and so that's how we started doing the research. We started looking and thinking, could we sing into Welsh? Could we sing in Welsh? So. You know, so that's how the journey really started, you know. So, and from there we started focusing on how can we do it, how can we get to understand Wales. And so we wanted to have a partnership. We did a lot of research and ended up with CS1. They were right on their doorsteps. We were rehearsing right next to each other, and so we've been doing loads of things. So we'll do a song which is very familiar with them, like Nkarolang, or then we'll do a song like Ngonyama, which is very similar to us, and we'll keep on mixing each other's traditions.
I actually love Welsh. My first interaction with Welsh was at Swansea Uni, so this was a great opportunity for me to sing. I love to sing. To sing gospel, I love to sing gospel, but to sing it in Welsh with a Welsh choir, now I think that integrates me really nicely into the Welsh community. It gives me a chance to interact and create new friendships, new networks within the Welsh community. And I think it's really nice to see an ethnically diverse project come to life. So for me, that's really why I'm involved, not only because I'm a member of Soul Connect, but because I believe that diverse communities are stronger.
The National Lottery Community Fund is proud to support this project and other projects that support Welsh language.